So we're going to review the $69 Anco air fryer. In Australia it's available at all your Kmarts. Look at the instruction book there. Packaging. It's quite well packaged. Heavy little bugger. Okay. LED control, removable frying basket, overheat protection, 30-minute automatic shut off, adjustable temperature to 200 degrees, operational light indicator, runs at 1500 watts. Okay. Just have a quick look at it. Very well. Not a bad looking unit for the price. Let's see how this comes out. It's very good of them to put some tape on there to stop this from coming out. Never noticed that till then. Okay. So that comes out of there. Very generously sized tray there. Okay. Yeah. Instructions on how long to put stuff in there for. I'm going to try it out today, and I brought some chips from Aldi's, frozen chips. So I will just get them out of the freezer shortly, and I'll put them in and we'll give it a go. See how well she is. But yeah, $69 is all it costs. Anco brand from Kmart. Yeah, so what I'll do is I'll just give the instructions a quick read, get some chips out and see how she goes. Okay, I've just washed all this down as per instructions. As you can see, there's a nice little thing there that unlocks it from in there. And it covers over the top. That's how you get that out. So the unit looks pretty solid, well built. Seems to be all good in there. Okay, so I've had a quick read of the instructions. And I've just got to go to the back there, cooking manual, and we're just going to find we are looking for chunky fries or potato wedges, and there we go. Amount 300-700 grams, cooking time 11 to 20 minutes at 200 degrees. Nothing else required. Doesn't need a tablespoon of oil or anything for those. So I'll just get them ready from out of the freezer. Okay, my potato wedges out of the freezer. Seasons Pride potato wedges. They're Aldi's. They're only $2 or $3. There is a maximum amount you could put in there, but it's actually right there at the top, so that's very generous. So I'm not actually going to fill it up too much. So I've got 750, so I have put the half of them in there, so that's roughly 300 grams. I think it's best to separate them a bit, just make sure they're not sitting together. So like I said, didn't say in the cooking manual about putting any fries in there, so actually take that little cover off, plug it in, said to turn it on first and wait for some beeps. Okay, well, we'll put them one unit in. Well, there you go. It's got a safety mechanism that won't start without the tray inside of it. Okay, so we turn it on. We want 200 degrees Celsius. Oh, that's got the minutes first, so we want roughly 12 minutes at 200 degrees, and that should be it. Okay, so we shall start now, and then in 15 minutes it should have some nicely cooked chips. As you can see, the unit's very quiet. It's got an indicator on top to tell you the fan and the heater is working. And it's got the timer, everything seems to be running well. So I shall turn it off for a minute and we'll come back and check on the finished product. Okay, well it's just finished now. It made a few beeping noises and decided to stop. So in that meantime, I cut some spring onion up, got some sour cream out of the fridge. I like sour cream on top. Most people probably like it from the bowl. And I've also got my favourite barbecue sauce to put on top. So we'll check them out now, see how they are. And they are cooked perfectly. So I'll just grab a few out. See, they might be just a little bit overcooked. That's fine. That was my doing. Okay, so I'll just slide that back in there for now. And raise it a bit. Put a nice dab of sour cream on top, some Ribbit's barbecue sauce, and we're good to go. Yep, done to perfection. Okay, if you like this video, please like it, or if you want to, you can subscribe. I'll try and do some more reviews on, I buy a lot of Kmart stuff, so I'll keep having a look, but then, oh, thanks very much. That's the Anco air fryer from Kmart, $69. Thank you.